Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a PayPal account. So first you have to go to any web browser and then type PayPal. You can go to the site directly. Now you have two options here on their homepage. You can see login and sign up. So if you don't have an account yet, then type on sign up. Now you have two options if you want to open a personal or business. So under personal, you can see your description and then also for business. So if you're just using it for your personal transaction, then all you have to do is to tap on personal right here. And then once you choose this personal, you have to tap on get started. Click get started. And then here you have to enter your email. You can also tap on email associated with your Google account. Okay. And then tap on next. Now you have to confirm your email address here. And then after that, tap on next. You can also edit this one if this one is not correct. Once done, you have to enter your phone number. And once you have entered your phone number, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on the next button below. And then after that, you have to create your password. So you have to create your password. They will suggest a password right here, but you have to create your own if you want for security purposes. And then after that, tap on the next button here. Once you have entered your password, there is a format and instruction on how to create one. Now you have to enter your personal information here, your first name, your middle name and last name, and make sure that it matches to your official ID. So now you have to enter your nationality and then your national ID here. ID number, for example, passport. You're going to use your passport. You have to tap this arrow facing down, passport, and then enter your passport ID. And then after that, tap on your date of birth. Then once done, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on the next button below. Okay, so once you have added your information, you have to add your address and make sure also that it matches to your ID. Okay, so add your address right here, and then after that, you have to agree with the terms and conditions. So you have to check both of these boxes below, and then tap agree and create account. As easy as that. Then you should see this information here that what they want to try first, shop, send money. You can skip this for now. And here is your PayPal account. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.